Number of positive patients who turned COVID positive in the state of Tamil Nadu for June 24th was 2,865, of which 1,600 plus was from Chennai district alone. It seems like the Tamil Nadu government is finding it extremely difficult to handle the situation, which has forced the Chief Minister to bring in strict implementation of laws, and the recent one being that within the state of Tamil Nadu, if you need to travel between districts, you would require an e-pass. Earlier, during the Unlock 1.0, what the Tamil Nadu government did was that of the 37 districts that was in the state of Tamil Nadu, they were divided into 8 zones, each zone presumably carrying 6 or 7 districts, and you would not require an electronic pass to travel between this set of districts. That has been suspended currently. In fact, an e-pass or an electronic pass was only provided for 3 reasons. The first one is for medical emergency, the second one is for any kind of marriage functions, and the third one is unfortunate for death. So only for these three reasons you can travel within any location, be it from one district to another. That was relaxed during Unlock 1.0, and you can travel to a minimum of 7 districts within a particular zone. But unfortunately, it seems like the district collectors who spoke to the Chief Minister yesterday had said that they are finding it extremely difficult to actually trace the contact sources, be it the primary contact or be the person who has, if a person has turned COVID-19 positive, who are the other people they have come in contact with. So this was extremely difficult for the district collectors to handle, and that's the reason they have gone ahead and requested for this implementation. The other part here is that, as we predicted earlier, there is another pattern that is emerging, and that is that earlier almost 80% of the cases were from Chennai during any particular day of COVID-19 medical bulletin, but right now it seems like it's changing. In fact, yesterday of the 2,800 plus cases, only 1,600 plus was from Chennai, which means more than 1,000 cases were from other districts, and that is extremely worrisome because Tamil Nadu government actually said that the infection is being brought under control or is under control in various districts, but unfortunately it seems like it's on the rise after lockdown, and this seems to be the reason that has been given. The first and primary, the foremost reason is that people are traveling without e-pass, and it's extremely difficult to handle the situation over there, which once again has forced the state to bring in this new rule where if you need to travel within any district, within one district inside Tamil Nadu, you will not require an e-pass, but if you need to travel between one district to another, you would require an e-pass. This rule will be there from 25th of June to 30th of June, and this e-pass will be only provided for 3 reasons, like we said earlier: either a marriage function, either a funeral you need to attend, or either a medical importance or medical emergency. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.